Venancio is a manufacturer that carries every single day the responsibility of knowing what we produce directly impacts the routine of thousands of food service businesses around the world. Here, nothing happens by chance. Every design, every steel sheet, every piece of equipment goes through a careful process built to deliver true performance and durability. Our mission is to provide innovative, high-quality solutions for commercial kitchens, helping our customers become more efficient and more satisfied with what they do. We are always moving forward. We seek the best solutions for the daily challenges of professional kitchens. And to achieve that, we constantly evolve in technology, process, and quality. You will find Venancio in bakeries, restaurants, supermarkets, hospitals, schools, and industrial kitchens of every size. We are present wherever the kitchen truly happens. Our focus is simple: to ensure that every piece of equipment works well, lasts long, and is safe to use. From design to production, everything is made to deliver results in the real world, in kitchens that never stop. Venancio is industry, process, steel, but above all, it's made of people. And if you haven't yet experienced what it's like to work with our equipment, it's time to discover what it means to have a reliable structure by your side. Because for us, well made isn't just a slogan, it's the way we do everything every day.